so here's the CEO of Beachbody, and what are you doing, Carl?
I'm making waffles.
And he's doing a fantastic job.
I don't think I put enough in. Can I still put it in, or is it too late?
Good thing we have Sarah.
Because I want it to be light and fluffy. I want every little square to be filled.
That's good. It will fill in when you put the top.
Oh, really? I put too much?
And go time.
They're Belgian waffles.
There we go.
Oh, it's Biz waffles, a Belgian waffles.
Let's see it.
Oh,
That is perfect.
this is how you make a Belgian waffle.
It's
We
perfect.
love waffles where I come from in Can Mountain.